Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your LG K41s, for the first you have to enter settings. Let's click on the connected devices, tap on the Bluetooth, and right now our smartphone is looking for available devices, and here is my Huawei P30 Pro. So let's tap on it to connect. And all you have to do is to click on the pair button on your LG and also on the second smartphone. So right now I'm gonna do this. And as you can see, right now my Huawei is on the pair devices. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.